Civil authorities has issued a shelter-in-place warning for California until further notice. The contaminated air is now in all of California. Do not panic, stay inside at all times, and lock all windows and doors. Nobody is allowed to go outside right now till there is an EAS message issued.
Civil authorities has issued a civil danger warning for Elko, Nevada, Humboldt, Nevada and Washoe, Nevada, until further notice. An air contamination from Canada is now going down to Nevada. Nobody is allowed outside until further notice.
Civil authorities has issued the emergency action termination. Thousands can now get out of shelter. Have a nice day.